Good afternoon, class. Today we'll be discussing polygons. But before taking the following examples before you, I made some notes consisting of the definition of a polygon with examples, types of polygons such as convex polygons, what they are, reentrant polygons, what they are, regular polygons, and also some things about polygons like the sum of the interior angles of any n-sided convex polygons, which is n minus 2 times 180 degrees, sum of the exterior angles of any n-sided polygon, which is 360 degrees, each interior angle of a regular polygon, which is n minus 2 times 180 degrees over n, and each exterior angle of a regular polygon, which is 360 degrees over n. Please go through the notes, because here it is the application of those things we'll be discussing. That's what this video consists of. Example 1. The angles of a hexagon are y plus 15 degrees, y plus 25 degrees, y plus 35 degrees, y plus 45 degrees, and y plus 54 degrees. Find y. First thing, what is a hexagon? From my examples I gave in the note, a hexagon is a polygon with 6 sides. So n is 6. Then get the total angle inside, which is the sum of the angles of a hexagon. From the note I gave you, when you go through the note, the sum of the interior angles of any n-sided convex polygon is n minus 2 times 180 degrees. N minus 2 times 180 degrees. This time, for a hexagon, the n is 6. So instead of writing n minus 2 times 180, you say 6 minus 2 times 180 degrees, because a hexagon has 6 sides. So with this, 6 minus 2 gives 4. 4 times 180 gives 720 degrees. So when you add all the angles inside the hexagon, the total is 720 degrees. So that means we are going to add all these angles together: y plus 15, y plus 25, y plus 35, y plus 45, y plus 54 equate to 720 degrees. Open your brackets to have this. Add the y's together to have 6y. Add 15 to 25 to 35 to 45 to 54 to have 174 degrees, which will give you 170 degrees. Collect your like terms so that you have 6y to be 720 minus 174, which will give 546 degrees. Divide both sides by 6, and your angle y is 91 degrees. Example 2. Under the application of your polygon, one angle of a pentagon is 124 degrees. The others are equal to each other. Find them. A pentagon is a polygon with 5 sides, and that means the angles too will be 5. One angle is given. You'll be left with 4 angles. The 4 angles are equal to each other. That means the other 4 angles will be x, 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 x to complete the pentagon. Then, just as you have in your formula, sum of the angles of any n-sided convex polygon is n minus 2 times 180. A pentagon has n to be 5. So you say 5 minus 2 times 180 degrees. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 times 180 degrees will give you 540 degrees. So that means these 5 angles, you add them together, you equate to 540 degrees. When you add the x together, you have 4x. When you collect your like terms, the 124 will be subtracted from 540 to give 416 degrees. Divide both sides by 4 and x becomes 104 degrees. That means the other angles are 104 degrees each, 104 in 4 places. Then with the 124, and that's how you get your angles. Number 3, the sum of the interior angles of a regular polygon is 30 right angles. How many sides has it? From my note I gave you, when you check the note, I defined a regular polygon as a polygon with equal size and equal angles. So, but here it won't even help you. Here, the main thing you use is the sum of the interior angles, which is n minus 2 times 180 degrees, and this sum is 30 right angles. 30 right angles means 30 times 90, because a right angle is 90 degrees, and when we say 30 right angles, it means 30 times 90 degrees, which you give 2700. You equate it to this. Here I opened my bracket, 180 multiplied n to give this, 180 multiplied minus 2 to give this. Collect your like terms. The 360 comes here to be plus, and adding it to this, you have 3060 degrees. Divide through by 180, and n is 17. So this is a polygon with 17 sides. Example 4. Each angle of a regular polygon is 165 degrees. How many sides has it? We like representing number of sides with n here. Each interior angle of a regular polygon is 165 degrees. As I told you earlier, in the note, I defined a regular polygon as a polygon with equal size and angles. For example, if you consider a triangle that is a regular polygon having equal size and angle, that's an equilateral triangle. For a quadrilateral, it is a square. For others, you see them, they will tell you a regular pentagon. That means all the sides are equal, also all the angles are equal. If I say a regular hexagon, all the sides are equal, all the angles are equal. Here we don't know the number of sides, so we represent with n. If one interior angle is 165 degrees, if I have 2 sides, that means I'll have 2 angles, which will be 165 times 2. If I have 3, 165 times 3. So now that I have n, the total will be 165 times n to get the total inside. And that is the same thing as our n minus 2 times 180 degrees. Total interior angles for this is 165 times the number of sides to give you the total. If it is a triangle with 3 sides, that means 165 in 3 places, that's 165 times 3. Now that we have n sides, you say 165 times n to get the total, and that's how what you will equate to your sum of the interior angles of a of any n-sided convex polygon. Then you open your brackets. This 180 we multiply this to be this. 180 we multiply minus 2 to be this. 165 times n is 165n. Collect your like terms. Leave the 180 on the right hand side. Bring the 165 to this side, 165n. Take your minus 360 to the other side. To your left, it changes to 360 degrees. 180n minus 165n is 15n. Equate to 360 degrees. Divide through by 15, and n gives 24. So the number of sides here is 24. The reason why we have to make our notes is because we can't include everything here in the video, but I want you to go through the notes carefully before you come to watch this video, you need to know what a polygon is, the examples. You need to know the types, what a convex polygon is, what a reentrant polygon is, what a regular polygon is. You need to know what the sum of the interior angles is, sum of the exterior angle is. Please go through them carefully. Thank you.